As you can see, guys, look at my TP. It's at that yellow line, which is the 618, and bang, 618, full TP hit. Get to know. Good morning, people. Hope you're doing very well. In this video, I just want to show you a potential setup that's about to play on the 15-minute. It's a 0.88 setup to any of these two levels. So I'm set an alert at this level. Will the 88 hit? And when it gets hit, I'll go into lower time frame. I'll give it 10-15 minutes and see if we can get below, start getting back above, and then I enter long. But until then, goodbye. Just a quick update, guys. You can see after dancing around for quite a while, I've currently had my breakfast, I had my protein shake, and I'm back here, and you can see hopefully Price decides to take the low, tapping the 0.88, well, SFPing the 0.88 is what I want to see. Possibly tapping this low would be lovely, guys. Get a nice acceptance back above. Get below, get above, long, target 618. We'll see what happens. Just got back from the gym. The whole time whilst I was at the gym, I had entered long. Bitcoin done exactly what I wanted it to do. TP straight to the 618. Now I fully understand we could probably come take the highs and I would have lost out on a lot more money. However, more than happy with the trade, plus 4k. Just focusing on the 0.88 setup, focusing on one setup, doesn't really matter what setup, but for me it will be the 0.88 setup to the 618. That setup, I'm going to focus on that, and I've been trying to focus on that. I haven't taken any trades in the past since, well, for 3 days I haven't taken any trades, which is pretty good. And Monday I've now taken this trade straight to TP pretty much, all whilst I was at the gym. So yeah, I guess it's a decent day. So far so good. I'm just gonna call it a day, literally. TradingView can get quit, and just wanted to show you the journey of the trade. So this is the entry. As you can see, price went below, it tapped the blue line, which is what I wanted. In fact, it swept the blue line. As soon as we started trading back above, in fact, I waited until we got back above the 0.88, and where I saw that we could hold it, and we didn't just get back above and then come back below. I waited until we could hold it a bit. Entered long 1% below the low, stop loss. This is the whole move on the 15-minute. 0.88 got swept. As you can see, I was in a tiny bit of drawdown. However, we moved up to 500 and then 1.5 and then full TP. So yeah, that's the journey of the trade. Thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, hopefully you've enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.